What language is similar to Shona? The Shona people are descendants of the Bantu, who migrated from southern West Africa in the Great Bantu Migration of about 2000 BC to 1500 AD. It is thought that the Shona migrated sometime between 600 BC to 1000 AD. Shona is not in itself a single language, but a group of similar languages that were codified and classified as the Shona in 1930 by Clement Doak. You will hear Chikaranga, Chizezuru, Chikorekore, as well as Chimanyika, referred to as Shona, although these dialects differ greatly in many key ways. Chindau and Chikalanga are no longer classified as being a Shona dialect as of 2013, and they're now instead considered to be independent languages. The languages that are most closely similar to the Shona group of languages are Swahili and Tswana. You will also find similarities in languages across Africa that are of the proto-Bantu etymology. As far away as Luganda in Uganda to Tumbuka in Malawi, there are many words that you will find across Africa that mean the same as words that you will find in the Shona language. The rich history of Africa's languages is hidden in our folklore and our shared stories, and it is only through sharing these stories that we can learn more about our origins. Join us as we discover the Shona languages on Sarura Kids. You can find us on YouTube Kids today.